Hello guys, welcome to our channel Semco Infratech. This is Soumyanjan Misra, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to show you the connection and operation video of SI BCDS 30 volt 20 ampere 8 channel cell tester. This BCDS can be used for both R&D and production purpose level. At test time, total 8 battery packs can be tested. The device battery pack voltage should lie between 7 volt to 30 volt. This device requires a single phase supply of 220 volt plus minus 10% at 50 Hz frequency, and the power consumption of this device at no load condition is 100 watt and at full load it is 4.1 kilowatt. The charging voltage range lies between 7 volt to 30 volt and discharging voltage range to 2 volt to 30 volt. Charging and discharging current lies between 20 ampere. So all the channels are independent and can be programmed individually. So this is the power supply cable. It connected with the supply. You can see a single phase connection is given to this supply and one earthing is connected for proper grounding. And here this is the MCB given for this machine's power supply. And you can see this is the charging discharging cable given to this device, and also there is temperature sensor connected. You can see this is the temperature sensor cable which you can connect to a battery pack and test the temperature also. So you can see here we have connected our battery pack with this battery, and here you can see this is the temperature sensor we have connected, and here in the program you can see for communication we have used LAN connection, and here in the software you can see our machine device is online, and here all the channels are visible, all the 8 channels are displaying on this screen, and this is our channel number 8 we have connected to battery pack. You can see the voltage is showing 19.44 volt, and here you can see the temperature also visible 16.2 degree. So this is the interface for this device. For connection you have to only click on here. Here you can see after the connection is done properly, then this IP address will automatically show, and then after that you have to click on this and connect. Once done, the IP address will be connected and this device will show online. And for process you have to go to step. Here in the step you have to set your program. As you can see, we have set for device for 2 minutes. For charging we have given 4 steps. In first step we have given for 2 minutes charging up to 21.5 volt at 5 ampere current. Cutoff current is 500 milliampere, and if maximum temperature for battery pack 40 degree. Similarly the multiple steps we have given. Otherwise I can create a new program from here also by clicking on new program. By clicking on it, we started our new program. Here we have to add the program. By clicking on add, we will set our program. We will go for charging at CCCV mode charging for 10 minutes. Here we have to put the time. Then we have to put how much voltage we want to charge up to. We will put 21.5, which is the maximum voltage for our battery pack. And here the current will be 20 ampere for this device. And then we have to put the cutoff current, which is 10% of the charging current, so we will go for 2 ampere, and here the maximum temperature at which the cutoff should be done, so we will put here 40 degree. After that we will confirm this process, then we will go for next step. So here by clicking on it you can see other steps are also visible. You can put here idle. We will set idle for 1 minute, confirm. Then we have to add our next step. We can also go for discharge. You can see we have put discharge, and for time 10 minutes, voltage up to 15 volt, which is the lower cutoff of our battery pack, and at constant current 20 ampere. So this is our step we have given. From here we have to select here save data. Once done, we can save our program. Then save successfully. Okay. After that our process is now done. Now we have to just click on our step, our battery device number, and select settings or start. From here we have to select our process name, which I have selected new. By clicking on it and clicking on confirm, our process will start in the battery pack. It will take some time to read the current. After that you can see that the current will display. So you can see our current is started to increase. You can see our current, it's increasing. It will go up to 20 ampere. And here in C you can see our capacity up to till now, how much capacity it has given. And here you can see the time, how much time it has done, and here which step it is continuing and which cycle is going on. And here in status you can see what is the status of our battery pack. So it means which step is continuing. And here the temperature you can see. You can see our temperature, our current is also rising. It's going up to 20 ampere it will go. And here our battery pack will charge up to 21.5 volt. And by clicking on here you can see analyze. In analyze you can find our graph for our process, whichever process you are doing. Here you can see this red color graph will be voltage, this green one will be current, and the blue one will be capacity. By clicking on here you can see, by clicking on this plus sign in step 1 CCCV board charging, here you can see independent data of 30 seconds. So you can see our voltage, here is the voltage, here is the current, here is the capacity, and here is the temperature and duration, and what is the date and time of the testing process. So when we go down, we can see our voltage and current is also increasing. You can see voltage increasing and current is also increasing. And here it is our capacity, and here the temperature, time and date. So this is all about this device, SI BCDS 30 volt 20 ampere 8 channel BCDS. For live demo of this device or any other device, you can visit our head office in Patparganj Industrial Area, New Delhi. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.